Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the stabilizer so your strokes feel intentional. First, select the brush tool and click the stabilizer icon in the top toolbar. Once done, choose a mode, weighted, basic, or drag, because each handles movement differently. Weighted keeps momentum, basic smooths aggressively, and drag anchors the cursor. Make sure to set smoothing between 0, 5, and 1. 5 to test responsiveness. Try a few short strokes to sense the delay, then increase strength slowly, until lines look steady but still lively. Next, you customize settings for your workflow. Open the stabilizer panel and fine-tune delay, strength, and distance. Lower delay when you sketch quickly, raise distance for longer smooth curves. Also match stabilizer settings to brush presets. Make sure brush size, opacity, and flow complement the smoothing so texture remains visible. Once adjusted, create a new layer and run tests. Do fast gestures, slow arcs, and short dabs to observe behavior. If strokes lag too much, reduce strength. If jitter persists, increase distance or try it. Finally, integrate the stabilizer into your routine and know how to fix common issues. Use it selectively, toggle it for inking and detailed line work, and disable for loose painting. If you notice lag, lower strength and delay, close large files, or increase Krita's memory cache. These steps reduce input delay. If quality suffers, try basic mode for cleaner results or temporarily turn the stabilizer off when painting large textured areas. Remember to save a brush preset once you find settings that match your hand and project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.